So today I'm about to cook me a piece of salmon that I took out of the freezer. It is defrosted. Let's see how much this thing weighs. This big salmon steak. Oh wow, it weighs 1 pound 5 ounces. So of course, you know, I'm gonna have to cut and divide this up, and probably we'll be able to eat about that much of it in one sitting. So I'm going to have to really divide this up and, you know, just put it away in small little packages. I do have some little snack size sandwich. They're not even sandwich, they're little snack bags that I'll probably portion it out in 1 ounce, 2 ounce portion. So let's get to cooking. I already have my pan here ready. My oven is preheated, so let's get to cooking this. Look at that. It's well seasoned. It smells delicious. I think I told you guys before, whenever I buy something, I always portion it out and season it up and put it away in the freezer or, you know, in the refrigerator to marinate if I'm about to have it that same day. But it always comes out, your seasoning, it always comes out so much better when you pre-season, you clean it and pre-season it. You don't have to poke the holes in it, you know, but sometimes I still do anyway. But, you know, I got that from my grandmother and my mother. So let's get this in the oven. Preheated 350-degree oven. We'll put that in there and then we'll come back and check on it in a few minutes. She should be ready. Look at that. See that sizzle? She is ready to be served. Let's weigh that. Let's see how much she weighs. I already zeroed out. I just took a basic lid and zeroed it out. So let's see how much she weighs. So she weighs 13.9 ounces now. So we're going to divide that up, and I'm going to measure out 2 ounces for my meal. $1.9. So I'm just going to take a little bit of this and see what that gives. Oops, 2.3. 2.0, and the rest I'm going to put in little packages, and after I eat, come back and package it up in little small 2 ounces of salmon, you know, just 2 ounce portions, I should say. But for now, that's what it is. And it tastes really good. Just to show you, I packaged up the 2 ounces of the salmon, you know, separating it from the larger salmon steak. What I'm eating tonight, there's my meal. The last of the baked sweet potato. I guess you guys are tired of seeing me repeat, but that's okay. The salmon and the last of the turnip greens. So this is going to be a good meal. But this is going to be for my next meal, and I'm going to package the rest of it up for 2.0 ounces or 2 ounces. I don't know why I keep saying 2.0. I guess it's habit. But that's how I'm going to package it up and just get it ready to eat. Depending on how many packages I have, I might put 1 or 2 of these in the freezer because I don't want to keep it in the refrigerator too many days. I mean, I like leftovers, but everything has its limit, and it just changed to 2.1. That's funny, but it's the packaging as well. All right, so that's it. Bon appetit for me. And that's how many I was able to break it down to. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The fifth one is like 1.6 ounces. So I'll substitute maybe some egg or something else for that. But that's what I was able to break it down to. That one salmon steak will last me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And with the one I'm going to eat now, 6 meals. Which is amazing because before, this will probably last me a 1 pound salmon if I ate like 5 or 6 ounces at one sitting. Well, then you do the math. So here I just wanted to show you how it all started when I fixed my plate and how it all ended. I wasn't able to finish all 4 ounces. I should have eaten the greens second, and the sweet potatoes third. Now, just make certain that you are subscribed to my channel. Make sure you hit the bell to be notified, and make certain that you also like the video, thumbs up the video, and don't forget to go and visit the imsoshirt.com and patronize them. They're a great company. Thank you for watching, and as always, take care and be well. Bye-bye.